What if I told you that you could grow a garden full of delicious vegetables and herbs right from your kitchen counter before spring even begins? Most people wait until it's warm to start planting, but the secret to a thriving garden is starting before spring even arrives. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which crops you should start indoors and how to make sure they grow big, strong, and ready to thrive when they move outside. Starting indoors means earlier harvests, stronger plants, and a garden that flourishes from day one. Perfect for beginners, kids, and even people with no backyard. By the end of this video, you'll know not only the best crops to start indoors, but also a simple trick that professional gardeners use to make sure their seedlings grow faster and healthier than ever before. So stick around, let's get growing. Why start indoors? Tomatoes need warm soil and a long growing season. Starting early means they'll be ready to fruit sooner. How to plant? Use seed trays with good quality seed starting mix. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep, keep them warm, 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and give them 12 to 16 hours of light. Pro tip: when your tomato seedlings grow their first true leaves, brush your hand over them gently each day. This mimics wind and helps them develop strong stems. Why start indoors? Peppers grow slowly and warm weather takes time to arrive. Early starts mean early harvests. How to plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep in seed trays and keep the soil warm, 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They take longer to germinate, usually 7 to 14 days. Use a heating mat for best results. Pro tip: once they sprout, give them a fan on low for a few minutes each day. This strengthens the stems and helps prevent diseases. Why start indoors? These cool season crops get a head start indoors to beat the summer heat. How to plant 1/4 inch deep in seed trays with cool temperatures, between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid too much heat, or they'll get leggy. Pro tip: harden off broccoli seedlings before transplanting by placing them outside for a few hours each day for a week, before moving them permanently. Why start indoors? Fast growing and can be harvested early indoors while waiting for outdoor conditions to warm up. How to plant? Sprinkle seeds over moist soil, barely cover, and keep at 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Pro tip: keep cutting baby greens, and they'll keep growing back, like a salad factory in your home. Why start indoors? Herbs take a while to establish and love controlled indoor conditions. How to plant? Start in small pots or trays, cover lightly with soil, and keep moist with indirect sunlight. Pro tip: basil loves warmth, while cilantro prefers cooler temps. Plant accordingly. Why start indoors? These slow growers benefit from early planting for strong bulbs. How to plant? Sprinkle seeds on top of soil, barely cover, and keep at 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Trim tops when they get too tall to encourage thick stems. Pro tip: don't rush to transplant them outside. Onions love cool weather but need time to develop strong roots. The right light matters. Regular windows aren't enough. Use grow lights, either LED or fluorescent, for strong, non-leggy plants. Keep lights just a few inches above the plants and adjust as they grow. Pro tip: a simple desk lamp with a full-spectrum LED bulb works great for small setups. Overwatering is a common mistake. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Use a spray bottle or bottom watering method. Pro tip: if your seedlings' leaves look yellow, they might be getting too much water. Let them dry slightly before watering again. Plants need air movement to grow strong. Use a small fan to prevent mold and weak stems. Pro tip: if you see fungus gnats, those tiny flying bugs, sprinkle cinnamon on the soil. It's a natural antifungal. Seedlings need to adjust before going outside. Start with short outdoor trips, increasing daily. Pro tip: if transplanting is a struggle, use biodegradable pots. You can plant them directly into the soil. Starting too early means you'll end up with leggy, weak plants. On the other hand, starting too late results in a short growing season. So, check your local last frost date and count backward to find the perfect start time. Here's a fun challenge. Pick one of these crops and try growing it indoors this week. Drop a comment in 2 weeks and let me know how it's going. I'll be here to help. And in our next video, I'll show you the best way to transplant these seedlings into your garden without shocking them. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Like if you learned something new, comment with your favorite crop to start indoors. Subscribe for more easy-to-follow gardening tips. Gardening starts with one tiny seed, and before you know it, you'll have a whole garden of fresh food to enjoy. So, get those seeds started today, and let's grow something amazing together.